Hey tech fans, if you're thinking about upgrading your laptop in 2025, this video is your ultimate buying guide. We're counting down the top 3 best premium laptops of 2025, and trust me, our number 1 pick is a game changer. Number 3. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16. This powerhouse is perfect for gamers and creators alike. Powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra processor and NVIDIA RTX 4080 graphics, it delivers desktop-level performance in a sleek, portable design. Add a stunning 240Hz QHD display and you've got a laptop ready for both work and play. Number 2. Dell XPS 15, 2025. The XPS 15 is still the king of premium Windows laptops for professionals. With a razor-thin bezel OLED display, Intel Core Ultra 9 chip, and up to 64 GB of RAM, it's built for serious productivity. Whether you're editing 4K videos or managing multiple workflows, this machine doesn't break a sweat. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air, 2025 M4. This is the lightest, most powerful MacBook Air ever made. The new M4 chip delivers insane performance while sipping power, meaning you get over 20 hours of battery life. The Liquid Retina XDR display is brighter and more color accurate than ever, perfect for photo and video editing. Apple's new Neural Engine also boosts AI-powered workflows, from photo enhancement to real-time translation. And at just over 2.5 pounds, it's the ultimate travel companion without sacrificing speed. So that's our top 3 best premium laptops of 2025. Which one would you pick? Gaming power, creative mastery, or ultimate portability? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our next review.